This tree is right in our zone 0. Threatening our trailer, where our dog lays down. And it's pretty tall. We need it to fall that way. Hey, Hot?
Yeah.
I'm ready for you.
Okay.
All right, we have her tied off about 16 feet in the air. The tension in the direction that we want the tree to fall. So Ashley's gonna stand outside of the fall zone, and she's gonna gently guide the tree in the direction we want it to fall as I'm cutting it and designing it to fall this way. And if the tree starts to go the other way, we got to be worried about like a whiplash if the rope would snap. So if she starts losing that battle, she has to let go and get out of there. We'll know because this is tied off here, so the tension will start to tighten if it's going to be an issue. So she'll start with leverage on her side, like she's winning the tug of war. She starts losing the tug of war, she's got to get bail. And that's how we're going to make this tree fall down where we want it to. I think I can make it fall this way without that extra guidance, but since we're in zone 0 and I can't afford to replace the airstream or anything in this area, we're just going to take a little extra precaution in guiding this tree down. Look, here's the tree. It's already diseased. It has a little bend that way, but then at the top it has a lot going this way, so it still has somewhat of a lean this way and somewhat of a lean this way, but for whatever reason it decides to fall there, we're gonna be in trouble. Check out that compost ring. We're gonna move the chickens up here real soon.
I gotta get used to being on.
Well, we got the tree rigged for coming down a couple days ago, and now it's time to cut the tree down.
You want me to do a loop?
Sure.
Cuts don't match. I don't know what to do. Just keep cutting in.
Oh, they're close.
Go on another inch or so. Let's see the other side.
That's a little bigger than we wanted. Now I'm gonna work on the back cut. Ashley's gonna go way out there. Get the rope going.
Let's go.
Find yourself a good tension and then keep that tension. Where's your escape?
This Where's yours?
That way.
Hey. Whoa. Nice work, hon.
That fell exactly where we needed it to fall. I saw you way down there. That's awesome.
I just took off. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I'm out.
Come up here and look at our cut. Our wedge was definitely too big, but the tree is bigger.
Yeah.
The problem is the tree diameter is too big. You can't get a good bite into the log.
Good girl, Moose.
She likes watching from over there. Good girl. But look how far we cut
Oh
into
my
it.
gosh, look at that wedge.
Yeah.
But look at this wood. Wow, this must be a maple. Yay, we did it. 2 down, 1 to go.
Now we gotta get this guy.